Look at that roast beef. My goodness, that's a thing of beauty. So me and Abby Grace Berry have got all our bags packed, and we're about to head to Las Vegas, Nevada, leaving Sweet Home Holiday, Tennessee. And we're going to COSI 2026, and we're going to hopefully meet a bunch of you guys there and take an Ussie. See you in Vegas. Sometimes when I get to the airport, there's so many triggers and signals that I'm like, well, maybe I need something. But I pregame with 1.5 pounds of bacon, left half a pound behind. That way there'll be no temptation at the airport. Nash Vegas, here we are. To the Vegas buffet, and you can eat carnivore at a Vegas buffet. I got prime rib, I got corned beef, I got sausage, I got bacon, butter, crab legs, shrimp, and a mussel. 100% carnivore. Now, Kim Howerton.
For my meal, I got a grilled tomato, some onions. Sorry, Nisha, this is for you, the onions. I know, it's your favorite. I got some crab legs, some prime rib, some shrimp. There's some chicken under here too, but it's really easy to do ketovore, carnivore, anything on the PhD spectrum, anywhere you go.
Yeah, so regardless of where you're at, even a Las Vegas buffet, eat your meat. Hey, good morning. We are at the buffet for brunch. Noon breakfast, basically, waiting on Kim Howerton. And then we're going to show you how, whether you're on a cruise ship or at Shoney's or any buffet, you can eat 100% carnivore, or in Kimmy's case, keto, and stay on your diet and have a great time on vacation. So we're just going to make a lap around this huge 1 acre buffet and show you what all's available. And because, yeah, there's temptation here. This is Vegas, right? So, yeah, there's temptations, but we're not going to fall for that because we're adults and we're serious about making our health better. So let's just walk around and look at everything. So here's some beautiful smoked salmon. There's the butter chips, full fat Philadelphia cream cheese, capers, lots of shrimp. There's some little crab. Is that dungarus? Some kind of little crab. Beautiful. Then lots of sushi. But now look, see that sushi right there? You can peel the salmon off the top and just eat that and not the rice. We can have an omelet made here with bacon, ham. There's onion, mushrooms. You can make a ketovore, or even carnivore omelet. What do you do? 3 eggs?
I can do 3.
Yeah, 3-egg omelet with bacon and ham and onion. Yep, thank you.
Any cheese?
No cheese.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, no onions, not carnivore. Oh my God.
Sorry, the steam
Look
chip,
at this.
yeah.
Brisket and
What is this steam chip? I don't even know.
look at that.
Femur bone.
Okay.
Yeah, look at that. Roast beef. My goodness, that's a thing of beauty.
I'm so excited.
Roast chicken, chicken breast. There's the peppercorn bacon that was too fatty for Abby. And this Polish sausage is actually amazing. Sausage, bacon, and then right beside it, cinnamon rolls. But we're obviously not going to make a stupid choice, right? Lots of donuts, lots of foolishness, scrambled eggs, and then more foolishness. If you're at a buffet, eat the meat, eat the eggs, eat the seafood. That's what they make the least profit on. That's why they bring you bread. That's why they encourage you to get a salad first, because they make higher profit off that stuff. They don't make as much money on the meat, eggs, and fish. Oh, I got a 3-egg omelet. I got some smoked salmon, put a little butter on my eggs. I got roast beef. I got brisket, bacon, and sausage. So 100% carnivore.
So I got scrambled eggs, a little bit of cheese, a piece of bacon, some brisket, some tomatoes because I love tomatoes, and some fruit. And I've never had, this is dragon fruit.
Yeah.
I've never had it before. So I'm going to try it, just a little piece of it, and see if I like it.
And we're all going to be satiated and happy and be able to work really hard today without having brain fog, hyperglycemia, hyperinsulinemia, or that afternoon crash. So we're here at the UNLV Student Union. I'm evidently doing a, hey, Norwitz. Good to see you, Doctor.
Good to see you,
How's
man.
it going?
How are you?
Nick Norwitz right here in the flesh.
Hey.
You're even prettier in person.
Yeah, and you're even taller.
I am Dr. Kim Howerton. I'm a board-certified family physician. All right, day 2 here in Vegas. We're going to the buffet to get some breakfast and then going over to the COSI event at UNLV Student Union. A lot of great speakers today. Amber O'Hearn is speaking. I always love Amber's talks and several other good speakers. We're going to have some breakfast and talk about stuff, and I'll see you soon. So when in doubt, you can buffet it out. You can absolutely, on any larger buffet, whether it's in Vegas or it's at a truck stop, there's always carnivore options. You just got to look for them and then not be tempted by the foolishness that you might be like, well, no, don't do that. Just eat carnivore. Steak and eggs, scrambled eggs, bacon, some sausage, some mortadella. This is black lemon Gouda. I've never heard of that in my life, so I wanted to try that. Have you ever had a black cheese? I've never had a black cheese. And then some salmon. So, I got some mustard, so sue me. It's not 100% carnivore. And then, Abby Gray, show them what you got. Scrambled eggs, salami, pepperoni, bacon, some berries, and one little piece of pineapple. So that's low-carb keto. That's absolutely proper human diet material. Tell us about your plate.
Hello. So I have here some brisket, a little onion, some peppers, some eggs. There's some bacon hiding here. And then I got some blueberries and a kiwi. And then I got a little horseradish and mustard to dip in.
Gotta love it. No matter where you're at in the world, there's always at least a low-carb keto option, if not a carnivore option. So we're here at Fogo de Chao. We're about to go eat as much meat as our tummy will hold and hang out with a bunch of our friends in the keto carnivore community. Come with us and you can see our beautiful meat we're going to eat. Wait. Here's Keto Savage,
What's
Robert Sikes.
Yes,
How you doing,
indeed.
brother?
I'm doing fine as frog here.
You're looking good. Take your shirt off.
No, I'm not gonna do that.
Are you hungry? You
I
brought
am
your
hungry.
appetite? Yeah.
I did bring my appetite. We'll
Yeah.
put down some meat.
I don't know if I don't think they have wild turkey or wild boar here.
No, I came for the vegan sushi. They got that right.
Vegan sushi.
Yeah,
Yeah, me too. I wasn't going to say anything, but yeah.
we'll put it down.
Yeah, I'm just here for the salad bar. My kind of place, baby. Huge salad bar. I got a piece of cheese, some mortadella, some salmon, some prosciutto. And I did get some plants. I got some roasted garlic and 2 olives and some mustard. So that's my salad. It's like the 4th time I've asked for lamb. They keep on to bring chicken and pork. I want lamb. So eggs and chicken and meat, as it should be. Next to our last day in Vegas, and I have actually never eaten at In-N-Out Burger in my life, and so I'm going to see if I can eat 100% carnivore at In-N-Out Burger in Las Vegas. Come on, let's go. Could I get, I just want 4 patties with 4 slices of cheese. And do you have any kind of sparkling water, club soda, anything like that? Okay.
Want to be the bubbling one?
Yeah, perfect. Okay, great. And that's all.
Do you want any bun?
Nope,
No bun?
no bun. All right, so I got 4 patties and 4 slices of cheese. Their cheese is pretty legit, but these are definitely not quarter-pound patties. And so if I'd known that, I'd probably got 6 or 8. But for the average person, this is $8.34 for lunch. I don't think you can beat that anywhere. So now let's try them and see how they taste. Oh yeah, that's a good burger right there. Roast beef, pork rib, chicken, shrimp, salmon. I'm gonna miss this buffet. All right, we're at Harry Reid International Airport in Las Vegas. About to head back to God's country, Tennessee. I just ate some Burger King burgers, and I got the cheese too because I'm on vacation. Typically I wouldn't do that. I had a great time with Abby Grace. She did a great job videoing everything. Had a great time, met a lot of new people at this conference, had some good information at this conference, and overall onward and upward. Keto, carnivore, improve your health, win at life.